Hello everyone, here at the lake, just smoking a cigar, getting attacked by geese. But you know what? I have a secret weapon. Get 'em, Landon. Yes, the geese didn't expect that coming. Not really doing anything today. I'm off. Just thought I'd come out, enjoy the day, and phone goes off. Such a lovely day. Just chilling, smoking a cigar. Let my boy attack the geese. Just kind of fun. Nothing to shut up. Oh well. Just thought I'd check in. Show you all the nice lake. Pretty nice place. Got a gazebo down there. They have bands and stuff to play. Bunch of geese. You gonna go get them?
Yeah.
Keeps them entertained. Alright. Guess I'll talk to y'all later. Have fun.